Okay, so the question which is asked today is what is neural inspiratory time? So basically it is the inspiratory time, the brain, specifically the medulla oblongata or the pons, you can simplify it as a brain, the time which the brain has set for the inspiration in a patient's body. So how do we measure it? We measure it by esophageal probe, and the time starts from the diaphragm contraction, when the diaphragm contraction starts and when the diaphragm contraction reaches its peak. This is measured by the esophageal probe which is there, and it is measured as EADI, so diaphragmatic electrical activity. So that electrical activity when reaches the peak, you get it. So the neural and inspiratory time is set on the patient's inspiratory demand, how much a patient's respiratory center wants that this patient should take breath. You cannot control it. It is automatically set based on the various conditions. It can be, patient can be hypoventilating, patient can be hyperventilating, like that. Now the importance is this neural inspiratory time should match or the mechanical inspiratory time. Mechanical inspiratory time is set by us on the ventilator. So the neural inspiratory time and the mechanical inspiratory time, we need to match it. That's why we'll keep the patient in synchrony. So if you don't have a esophageal tube, you can just look at it, the patient's clinical assessment, how the patient is in sync with the ventilator. Only that way you can assess. But the idea is the patient demands, like if the patient demands inspiration, we need to provide it and adjust the inspiratory time, mechanical inspiratory time according to that. Now, what will happen if there is desynchrony? Suppose the neural and inspiratory time is long and the mechanical inspiratory time is short. So what will happen? The patient wants more breath, but the ventilator has stopped the inspiration. So it will cause double trigger of patient will be in flow starvation. In other section, what will happen? Suppose the neural inspiratory time is short and the ventilator continues to provide the inspiration. So what will happen? It will cause a delayed cycling, and then it will cause different peak pressures and asynchrony sort of conditions. More stress on the alveoli and other things. So the idea is neural and inspiratory time is the normal, or it's the natural inspiratory time which is set by the patient respiratory center in that particular patient, and the mechanical inspiratory time is what we set on the ventilator. So the idea is these two should be in sync, and esophageal Doppler is something which is used to measure this neural inspiratory time by the electrical activity, EADI, diaphragmatic electrical activity. So do read more about it.